Asus took a bold turn towards the mainstream with the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro in 2023, repositioning its flagship gaming phone as something you might actually want to use day to day. You don't get two consecutive radical overhauls in the modern smartphone era, so the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro serves as more of a gentle refinement. The chief improvement comes from the switch to Qualcomm's impressive Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which provides a measurable bump in performance. This is paired with a whole lot of RAM and a passive cooling system that's been beefed up yet further. Whatever the contributing factors, the ROG Phone 9 Pro addresses our concerns over its predecessor's sustained performance, remaining consistently fast over longer gaming sessions. The ROG Phone 9 Pro sticks to the design template of last year's model with the same relatively discreet shape and size. Quality of life features like wireless charging and IP68 certification make a return too, and continue to be unique among gaming phones. Hardcore mobile gamers will likely continue to regard this as a compromised layout. Asus has only half-heartedly addressed the lack of dual front-firing speakers, while the display continues to be partially obstructed by a hole-punch camera, unlike that of the Red Magic 9S Pro. One gamer-friendly change on the ROG Phone 9 Pro is the provision of a larger 5800 mAh battery, which ensures epic stamina in regular usage. More to the point, you'll be able to indulge in some serious gaming on your commute without fear of running out of juice. Charging speeds are quick enough, and there's a secondary USB-C port on the left-hand edge for easy charging while gaming. Asus's rear-mounted anime vision system, introduced in the ROG Phone 8 Pro, has been improved with a bunch more LEDs. You can even play a series of simplistic games on it, using the returning mappable air trigger controls. It's a fun addition, but pretty superfluous given the range of games. Talking of which, Asus has stuck with broadly the same 6.78-inch AMO LED panel as before. The only real difference is that the refresh rate now goes up to 185 Hz, but you'll struggle to find many games that can capitalize on such a feature. Also similar is the ROG Phone 9 Pro's camera system, which adds an improved gimbal stabilization system to the package. It's far from one of the best camera phones out there, especially among its premium-priced flagship competition, but it is capable of capturing solid shots in a variety of scenarios. The software provision remains the most thoughtful of any gaming phone, with a straight choice between Asus's bespoke gamer aesthetic and a more traditional, stockish Android UI. It's a real shame you'll only be getting two major Android updates, though at least the AI-enhanced Android 15 is available out of the box. For all its minor improvements, it's questionable whether the ROG Phone 9 Pro is the best out-and-out gaming phone on the market, and it's certainly not the best value. However, it's quite clearly the best option if gaming is merely the first among many interests. The ROG Phone 9 comes in three variants: the regular Asus ROG Phone 9, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro, and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro Edition. It's the latter that we've been testing for this review, though it's broadly the same phone as the regular Pro.